People, how's it going? Today, I have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As many of you know, this is a very small store. It's about 700 square feet. At any given time, there's 9 to 12 employees, and often there's 5 to 6 customers in the front, and no room. So we tell people that we are going to use our own packaging to send your MacBook back. We keep the packaging nice and folded in the basement, not full boxes. We ask people not to send the original Apple box if they want it back, because I have no place to store your box. And as you may know, customers be customers, and they don't listen. So even though our website says this on the bottom, we do not send us a box or a charge you would like to receive back, and nice big red capital text, we still have over here the leaning pile of boxes with our... Paul, smile for the camera. Show everybody what they got here today. This here is a stack of MacBook boxes. And for a limited time only, that's right, for a limited time only, you will be able to pick up a box, a beautiful MacBook Pro box for free that we will sign. Fuck. Apple. Free at 186 First Avenue to the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, stop it! 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. For the first 34 people that show up at 186 First Avenue between 11th and 12th Street in Manhattan today, we will give you these boxes with a signature that says, fuck Apple. This is a limited time opportunity. This is a very valuable box. You have no idea how many phone conversations I have had with people very, very violently angry that we are not going to be keeping their box. So we've made an effort to keep so many of these boxes. You know what happens when we're done? After the 3-hour argument, they say, I don't even want the box. You can keep it. So we are making room in the store to fit in the boxes because at this point, we are at a point where we're getting 10 to 30 boxes a day. Of customer devices, I need the space. So if you come today to 186 First Avenue, you will get a free Apple box. This is a $15 value on eBay because this is one of the very few devices where people, I don't get it. They think this actually has value. But if you're one of those people, come get a box. Paul, would you like to sign a box? If you want a box with one of Paul's signatures as well, you can get a box with Paul's signature. Paul, sign the box. Paul! Have a 2011 dead GPU. Hell, we may even give that away to one of the first people who shows up. Please. Please don't make me have to wait for the recycling company to show up on Thursday, because that's my recycling pickup. Ah! Excellent at data recovery, not the best cameraman. What happened, Steve?
Dude, you lost your MacBook box right in my fucking stomach. Oh.
What do you think is gonna happen if you're standing there? Good to meet you.
You didn't run through it. You went through it and pushed through it. Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
have a box.
You got to sign. You can put your autograph, man. I need your autograph. Can you look that? You gotta look that up on the camera.
Rudy.
Four angles and 2 in slow.
Rudy and Alan.
You gotta look that up on the cameras.
My friend Alan, yeah. He's gonna come. I'm gonna
know
get
where
him to
the
come from
camera
Boston.
is.
Oh no! Is the camera still recording somewhere?
Yeah, he was telling me. He said the new Macs are like.
Oh, that was.
Look at him faking his workman's comp claim.
Jesus Christ.
Like that didn't happen from you playing soccer.
Oh.